Alright people, here we go. Today's mission is to replace these side wing indicators on the BMW E90. This is the 320SI, the limited edition one. So changing these because, as you can see behind here, that rubber seal has just perished and letting water in behind it. We can't have that. That is definitely not very BMW. So we've got some of these bad boys right in here. £10 off eBay. So for £10 we're not expecting greatness, but what we're going to do first is just show you before and after. Basically, let's chuck in here and indicator on, just to show you the way this one flashes. So these are pretty cool but pretty standard. So the new ones I've got should do a bit of an LED something or other. So that's before. Right, so to remove these, it's really simple. He says I'm going to try and do it with one hand while videoing. God, what's up with the picture quality today? No idea. It can't focus, can it? Right, so yeah, super easy. All I'm doing is pulling back. Lads, you know how to pull back. Right, I'm really not going to be able to do this with one hand, am I? Right, wait there. Okay, and just like magic, there it is. So yeah, all I did was push back on that retaining spring, and then it unclips from the front in there. Look, that's just all perished. So what we're going to do is all the way out and remove the clippy clip, pushing on the top there. Again, hold fire, and that's what you're left with, the plug. So I'm going to clean all this up because that is definitely not very BMW. All right, so again, bear with me, give it a good clean. Get your best dishcloth out. No, don't fall in there. Be right back. Right, so because I am a pro, here's a top tip. Don't let that fall down in there. Top tip right there from the pro. Right, excellent. So panic over. We're going to remove the new one. Comes all protected out. So yeah, what happens is that plugs in to there to there. Insert, in and out, one of them. Right, let's go. Right, insertion is complete. Another pro tip would be to test that it works before you put it back in. But I am Mr. Danger. I live life on the edge. I'm just gonna risk it for a biscuit, bro. So line up your old spring clip, push against it gently. Oh yeah, and then it should slot in, and again, bosh, right, boom, it's there, it's in. So let's test if it works. So super simple, don't need any tools other than yourself. Let's go see what it looks like. So it's black look, stealthy black look, which I think looks cool on the black car. Here we go. Slotting in and indicating. Here we go. Let's see if it works. Oh yeah. Look at that. It's a pretty trick. It's not bad, is it? Does a little sort of Star Wars type light up thing. So not bad. Tell you what, 10 quid. I ain't grumbling. You grumbling at 10 quid? Can't even get a blowy off your nan for that, can you? Not bad. All right, there we go. That's how to change that. Easy peasy. See you next time, boys.